back to the Triple A family. Today we are going to be making treats for me and my brother's classmates for Valentine's Day.
Me and Ali are going to be doing that. She's super excited. I'm going to be making candy bags for her classroom. And then my boys didn't want candy bags. They really wanted just the little cards and do like a candy on it. So that's what I'm going to be doing for them. But Alia's going to be helping me make all of them. So I spent, I believe, around $15 for all the things that I'm going to be doing. For Aaliyah's items, there were a little bit more just because she is doing candy bags and everything at the Dollar Tree. I've been obsessed with the Dollar Tree. They have such good things in there. So I went in there and that's where I bought all the items. I suggest you guys check it because there's so many things that you can find in there that are cute to do for treat bags for the kids. You want to show them what you got for your classroom and what you're going to be putting in your little candy bags? Show them. What did you get?
I got these cute little puppy bags. I got these stickers because I thought they were super cute. I got two different ones. I love these lollipops because their flavor is good.
So she got those. She's going to put them in the candy bags. We're going to try to put either 1 or 2 candies for baggie. And then we bought a lot. This is their favorite candy. All
Airheads.
3 of my kids, they love this candy.
Airheads. I love Airheads.
So we got different flavors. This ones are the originals.
These ones are like they have
And
2
then
different colors.
This ones are different colors. So this ones are watermelon mystery flavor and then blueberry and cherry. So no, this one's watermelon and raspberry mystery and then blueberry and cherry. So there's are multiple flavors like in each packet, which this one's pretty cool. But this ones are just the original plain ones. And then this ones have more. This baggie has 12 mini bars and this one's only have 8. So if you want to stay under a little bit less of a budget, I would suggest you buying this one because this one have more. Aaliyah just wanted to try those because like I said, this is their favorite candy, so they were excited to see these at the dollar store. These are new in there. And what else?
I also got these for my friends.
So in her baggie, those are the ones that she's going to be adding for her friends. She's going to be adding a little extra something, so she's going to be adding those slimes.
Yeah.
And then for Ethan wanted these. He loves Paw Patrol still, and this one is a tattoo lollipops Valentine's Day cards. So it comes with the card and then a little lollipop, which this were pretty good deal for all of that stuff in there. So I bought him 2 for his class. And then Arian liked this one. It's 32 Valentine's Day gift cards, Ninja Turtles. These are super dope. I like these. You see the back? All of those come in there. They're pretty cool looking. I like Ninja Turtles. And then Ethan's, those are the ones that come in there. Those are pretty cool too. So for Arian, he also wanted to put a candy on each little card. So we're gonna get the little cards and tape a little candy bar in there and like on top. I'll show you how we do that. Hopefully I have enough candy. I'm not sure. If not, we will have to go back to the dollar store and pick some up, but hopefully it's enough. You excited? You ready to start?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is get all the candy out first and all that little stuff, take it out of the package and put it in the pile here. We'll show you how it looks. I forgot to tell you guys, in this little candy bag, these are little tiny. I think they're a good size to make candy bags because they're not that big. They're like a medium size, good for Valentine's for the kids. This whole packet is $1 and it comes with 30 little baggies. And then this right here, these are stickers. So as you can see, it comes like that with multiple. It comes with 18 pieces of little boxes of stickers per packet. So I bought Leah 2 because she has around maybe like 26 students in her class. The same thing with the other kids. They have around 26, 25, 24 students. So that's how many come in the packet. So this, we're going to be sticking them in the baggies. I forgot to tell you guys that part. And this lollipops right here, I believe it comes with, I don't know how many. Doesn't say. Not a lot. It comes with a little bit. So there you go. 3, 6, 7. 7 little candy bags. So that's how our pile is looking. Aaliyah's doing her pile over there because we're going to be having like a section and doing it together. I'm going to take this out now. So for Ethan's Valentine's Day, the little box came with this little cards like this, pretty good size. And then you can see the little hole in there where you're going to be putting your lollipop in. So these are so cute. And then it comes with this little thing right here. You just have to rip them apart. So that's Ethan's. And then it comes with this pretty good size lollipop. It's a little heart-shaped lollipops. These are so cute. So I'm gonna be taking these out and then doing them for Ethan. Guys, my boys really don't like doing this. They honestly didn't want to take anything to their classrooms. I don't know why. So I'm basically just told them to pick something and I was gonna do it for them, me and Aaliyah. But that's what the cards look like for Ethan's class. But these are so cute. They're like the perfect little size hearts, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like
They're
it?
cute. Yeah.
So this is all of Aaliyah's stuff. And then I'll show you Arian's in a little bit. So I'm gonna start doing this pile and then show you. Look who stopped by to steal a candy, you guys.
Right?
What candy do you want? Choose one.
I'm mine.
So for Aaliyah's candy bags, this is where we're doing. She is putting the stickers in first, and then I'm gonna be putting the candy. So that's what she's doing, her little pile over here. For the ones for her friends, she's gonna do last so she can put them on top. So I put 2 pieces of candy in each baggie, 2 airheads, the little stickers, and then I'm writing from Aaliyah on top. So the ones that I'm gonna be finishing, like I have these 2, I'm just gonna stick them in this Bath and Body Works bag that I have, that I saved for Valentine's Day. I have 2. I have this one for Aaliyah, and then I have another one for Arian, and for Ethan I'm gonna put it in a plastic bag. And I'll show you how you guys look. So I'm gonna be throwing them in there. They're nice and simple. I didn't want to do too much. There's a lot of students in there, so I like them. I think they're super cute. Let's keep doing them. That's the whole little stash. And then for her friends, these are the ones for her friends. Excuse me. So I have some leftover candy. I put some in there for her friends. So this is the baggie. It's a little bit fuller. She added that slime, added a little bit, 3 pieces of candy, and a little box of stickers. And then she made all of those. And then she actually had stickers left over, guys. So if you guys want to do baggies, I do suggest the stickers because it comes a lot in the little bag for $1. And then this one's for my son. He requested a special baggie for him. I'm not sure why, but he said it was for a girl. So he told me if I can make him a special baggie for him so that he can take to, I don't know, to that little girl. So I ended up doing this for him. He has stickers, 2 little boxes of stickers, this candy that I had in their little pile of candy. They have a bowl of candy, so I ended up adding those little pieces of candy. And then airheads and more candy. So this is for my son, for Arian. I do Ethan's and Arian's, and I still have leftover candy, so we'll show you how those look. This is Aaliyah's candy. And so that Aaliyah doesn't mistake the regular candy bags for her class and her friends, I'm sending her with this little big bag that I had, this little Ziploc. It's big. I added all her friends in there, and that way because some of her friends are not in her class, they're in the like she only sees them in the playground, and that way she can take this out of her backpack and give them out to her friends when they're in recess. That's that. And these are Arian's. These are so cute, you guys. I love Ninja Turtles. And then I love like black against the color. It brings them out more. I love these. Are so cute. And then it comes with some stickers. So that if you don't want to put candy on it, you can just fold them and put the little sticker on the back. That would be so cute as well. So pretty. So that's what I'm gonna be putting like a piece of tape. I'm gonna be folding it in pieces, put it in here, putting the airhead in there. And then on the back, I'm just gonna put from Arian. I'm not gonna put to who, because my son can't read that well yet. So I'm just gonna put to Arian, and that way he can just pass them on. So cute. So for Arian, in the box, it came with 36 little cards. He doesn't have 36 students in the classroom, so I'm gonna take around 8 out. So this is what I'm putting in the bag, just from Arian and the little happy face. So Aaliyah's helping me do Arian's as well, and she's just cutting them in the little line so that we can have them all spread it out. That's what she's doing. Thank you. Oh, she does for her little brothers. Ella es más into like the spirit and all of that, as her brothers, they're not that much. Leave me a comment if your boys are the same way, or is it just my boys? Let me know. And this is how I'm gonna be doing Arian's. So I put a piece of tape across, and then like I said, it comes with this little heart stickers in the box. So I just put the candy here and the little heart right there, and I'm gonna leave them open like this. So this is how they look. So all of them are gonna look. I tried folding them like this to try to put the candy in here, but it's just, the candy falls off, and if I put even more tape, the whole picture is gonna come off of their face when they peel the tape off. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I told Aaliyah, look what happened. This one broke in half. I accidentally peeled it off. And what did you say?
A heartbreaker.
A heartbreaker. A heartbreaker. So since I do have candy left over, I just decided to go ahead and send all the baggies, todas las little cards, to Ariam's classroom. So I'm not going to be pulling any of them out. I wasn't sure if I was gonna have candy, so I wanted to like just send whatever the amount the teacher asked for. But since I do have candy left over, might as well send them all out. And if he has like friends or whatever, he can give them to them so that they can get 2 candies. And this is how all of Arian's candy look like. It looks so cute. Instead of the, I'm gonna put all of this in the Bath and Body Works bag as well, like the one Aaliyah has. I'm gonna be putting Arian's in there too. And then I had 4 candy leftovers and a bunch of stickers left over, which that's good. I'll leave them in their goodie bag. And they're not in their goodie bag, they have like a bowl of goodies, and I'll just stick them in there. But not bad. I was telling Aaliyah that when I was in elementary school, when we used to do Valentine's Day, it was rare when we got candy. When we got candy, we were super happy, and I guess now it's a thing to put candy in their Valentines. I told her that they have elevated their game, because before all I got was this little card, and I was super excited to get one. Now they don't have to, but now it's like a, you know, a kid thing that they put a treat in there. So I think that's pretty cool.
This one, because you just popped them out.
I didn't end up doing this ones because Aaliyah wants to do them by herself, so I should. You guys, I forgot to show you guys Aaliyah's little headband. Turn your head up, baby. Look, so cute. We found it at the Dollar Tree as well. Wear it for Valentine's Day. So she bought that for Valentine's Day, and I also got her some socks that say Happy Valentine's Day. She's gonna be wearing those. Yeah. That's my favorite color, hot pink.
I love pink.
Fuchsia or whatever. You guys, these Paw Patrol ones, these are so hard to get out of their little thing. What we end up doing though is just cutting around it with like the scissors. That was like, and this is how Ethan's look like. They also gave you 2 extra lollipops, so that's good, just in case one of these came broken. And I'm gonna put these in a Ziploc bag as well. One of these big Ziploc bags, so I can put it in his backpack, because if not he'll forget them. So I'm gonna put those in here, and that way he can open them and just pass them around. So we're done, guys. So these are the bags. Aaliyah's, her friends, my son's, Arian's, and the little extra one that he wanted, and then Ethan's. You want to say something?
Bye you guys, like and subscribe. Bye.
And thanks for watching. See you guys next time.